Welcome to the Future of Technology 365 in this video. We will be talking about machine learning. Machine learning is a subfield of artificial intelligence, AI, that focuses on developing algorithms and models that enable computers to learn from data and make predictions or decisions without being explicitly programmed. It is concerned with the development of computational systems that can automatically learn and improve from experience. At its core, machine learning relies on the idea that computers can analyze and interpret patterns and relationships within data to gain insights and make informed decisions or predictions. The learning process involves training a model using a dataset consisting of input examples and their corresponding output labels or desired outcomes. Through this training process, the model learns to recognize patterns, extract meaningful features, and generalize from the provided data to make accurate predictions or decisions on new, unseen data. There are several fundamental concepts and techniques within machine learning. 1. Supervised learning. In supervised learning, the training dataset contains input examples along with their corresponding output labels. The goal is to train a model that can learn the underlying mapping between the inputs and outputs. This enables the model to make accurate predictions on new, unseen data by generalizing from the learned patterns. 2. Unsupervised learning. Unsupervised learning involves training models on datasets without explicit output labels. The objective is to discover hidden patterns, structures, or relationships within the data. Clustering and dimensionality reduction are common tasks in unsupervised learning, where the model learns to group similar data points together or reduce the dimensionality of the data while preserving its meaningful information. 3. Semi-supervised learning. Semi-supervised learning combines elements of both supervised and unsupervised learning. It leverages a partially labeled dataset where only a subset of the data has output label. The model learns from the labeled examples and utilizes the unlabeled data to improve its performance. 4. Reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning involves training an agent to interact with an environment and learn optimal actions to maximize a reward signal. The agent explores the environment, receives feedback in the form of rewards or penalties, and adjusts its behavior through trial and error to achieve the desired outcome. 5. Deep learning. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning that focuses on training artificial neural networks with multiple layers to learn complex patterns and representation. Deep learning has revolutionized various domains, such as computer vision, natural language processing, and speech recognition, by achieving state-of-the-art performance in tasks like image classification, language translation, and speech synthesis. Machine learning algorithms and models can be categorized into different types, including 2. Classification algorithms. Classification algorithms are employed when the output variable is categorical or discrete. They learn to classify input examples into different predefined classes or categories. 3. Clustering algorithms. Clustering algorithms group similar data points together based on their inherent similarities without using any predefined classes or labels. They enable the discovery of hidden structures within the data. Machine learning has found applications in various fields, including healthcare. Machine learning algorithms are used for disease diagnosis, personalized treatment recommendation, drug discovery, medical image analysis, and predicting patient outcomes. Finance. Machine learning is employed for fraud detection, credit scoring, stock market analysis, algorithmic trading, and risk assessment. E-commerce and recommender systems. Machine learning powers recommender systems that provide personalized recommendations based on user preferences and behavior, enhancing the user experience and increasing customer engagement. Natural language processing. Machine learning techniques enable language understanding, sentiment analysis, text generation, machine translation, and chat. Thanks for watching the Future of Technology 365. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell and stay up to date on all technology videos from the Future of Technology 365. Thank you and God bless.